Level up your DIY game. HUEPAR 98Ft green laser beast with tripod. Precision, power, and portability in one. Tired of wonky shelves and crooked tiles? Meet the HUEPAR 98Ft self-leveling green laser level, the ultimate tool for DIY enthusiasts and pros alike. This laser leveler is a game-changer, offering unmatched precision with its bright green crossline laser that's visible up to 98 feet. Whether you're hanging pictures, laying tiles, or renovating your home, this tool ensures accuracy within ±1/9 of an inch at 33 feet. Its self-leveling mode automatically adjusts within 4 degrees, while manual mode lets you tackle tricky angles. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to flawless results every time. What sets the HUEPAR apart? Its cutting-edge Diode Technology and Osram's green beam deliver superior visibility, even in well-lit rooms. The included 25.6-inch aluminum tripod is a dream come true, offering extendable height and a 360-degree swivel function for ultimate flexibility. Compact, lightweight, and built to last, this laser level boasts an IP54 rating, making it shockproof, waterproof, and dustproof. It's the perfect companion for indoor projects, ensuring durability and reliability in even the toughest conditions. Time is money, and the HUEPAR laser level saves you both. With its easy setup and intuitive controls, you'll breeze through tasks that used to take hours. The self-leveling feature eliminates tedious manual adjustments, while the 6-hour battery life keeps you working without interruption. Plus, the included carrying bag and AA batteries make it a ready-to-go solution for any project. Why waste time with inferior tools when this powerhouse delivers professional-grade results at an affordable price? Durability meets affordability with the HUEPAR laser level. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic and aluminum, it's built to withstand drops, dust, and water splashes. Compared to pricier models, this tool offers the same precision and durability without breaking the bank. Its compact design and lightweight build make it easy to carry, while the 2-year warranty ensures peace of mind. Whether you're a seasoned contractor or a weekend warrior, this laser level is a must-have addition to your toolkit. Still on the fence? Consider this: the HUEPAR laser level isn't just a tool, it's an investment in efficiency and accuracy. Customers rave about its bright laser, ease of use, and unbeatable value. From hanging wallpaper to installing cabinets, this tool delivers flawless results every time. Don't settle for less when you can have the best. Grab your HUEPAR 98-foot green laser level with tripod today and transform the way you work, one perfectly straight line at a time.